So as you can see on the screen right now, there's $10, there's $20, and if I refresh the screen right now, I'm gonna refresh the screen. I'm gonna head back over there so you can see $5, there's $3, there's $5, there's $3. So this is some free PayPal money that you can get over and over again. Look over here, you see $20. I'm gonna show you how to make some money online in 2020. So I'm preparing you for the year coming up. So if you're already in that year already, maybe you're watching this video later on, that's going to be good. So this is a website that you can start right away and you can start making money. My name is Andre. I talk about affiliate marketing and just different ways how to share my knowledge with you so you can go out there and crush it. So if you're not a part of the family, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. So every time I come up with a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So make sure that you give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think at the end of the video. So we're going to jump into things and I'm going to share with you because I actually signed up for this website and I tried it out and it's actually working. So make sure you don't skip throughout this video, watch it all the way to the end because people who try to get ahead, they missed out on most of the information and then they say it doesn't work or they've been trying so many different things and it did not work. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end of the video. So as I said before, this is going to be some free PayPal money, how to make money online in 2020, 2020, whichever way you want to say it. So the website that I'm going to share with you today is a website that is called zoombucks.com. So zoombucks.com, it is absolutely free. It's free to join. The good thing about this, it is worldwide. So it's a worldwide thing. All you have to do is put your email, create a password, always read the terms and condition, agree to the policies, and then you sign up. So you're going to be completing surveys. You can watch TVs, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch videos and just earn points over and over again. If you want to do surveys and get some points as well, you could do that. So stay with me here. So the different payment methods that you can get Google, you can get Windows, PayPal, and they also pay in Bitcoin because I checked out the different reward section. So if you look into the crypto, they pay Bitcoin right here. So for most of you who want to get some Bitcoin, if it's cash, you definitely have to connect your PayPal account. And if you're into the gaming world, there's Xbox Live, there's Google Play, there's Steam, there's PlayStations, so Pokemon Go. So there's so many different ways of getting paid. You can get gift cards like Walmart, Amazon, Netflix, iTunes, Skype, Apple, you name it, it's all listed on here. So for shopping wise, you can go to Gap, Macy's, Rewards, Lowe's, and the list goes on and on and on. So once you sign up for it, as soon as you sign up, they'll definitely send you a confirmation email that you have to confirm. That, where is it? Let me just refresh real quick because I did get the email that I had to confirm. It's somewhere over here. There it is. So once you confirm the registration, you click to confirm, you're gonna head on over to the actual website. Now, once you're over here, I'm gonna sign in real quick. So you can see I was logged out. So I'm gonna log back in. Let's try this again. I'm gonna log in so you can see the entire procedure, right? So you can't say you didn't see it. All right, so once you log in, you will earn about, there it is, approved when you verify your account, right? You're gonna get like 50 points. If you watch videos, you will get like 11 points, and it goes on and on again. So I'm gonna go with surveys, and I'm gonna show you how you can do the video. So for the surveys here, as you can see, these are the points that you can earn, 1,000, 1,800. So it all depends on what you want to click on. Of course, answer these surveys, and once you answer these surveys, you can start to get paid right away. So you can come over here, you can click on it. When you click on the surveys, right, it's going to reroute you to the actual main website, and then you're going to put your email address in, and you must be at least 13 years and older to participate in this one. And you could just continue on with your surveys. So I'm not gonna go too details into the surveys, but I'm gonna show you the video. So the video is, what I've done is a little hack, which is pretty cool. So you can earn 7 points for every 3 videos that you've watched. And this one, you can earn 5 to 20 points for each video that you watch. So you can check every day, you can complete multiple times. So I'm gonna click on this one, because this was the one that I just racked up a few different points. Now I'm gonna click on this, and you don't have to watch the entire video. So if you look up here, pay close attention to the top right here. Pay close attention to this. All right, so let me keep playing. Pay close attention. So watch this video and earn 1 reward. So what happened, this is an ad. They want you to watch the video to a certain point, and then this is gonna change. So we're gonna keep watching. Keep watching this. See, right? You've earned. So I didn't watch 34 seconds of the video. If you wanna watch more, not a problem. You can stop the video, and we're gonna head back over to ZoomBucks. Where is it? All right, so I'm gonna refresh, and you're gonna see it's gonna change. See? So you saw 83. So you can keep watching the same video again. I'm gonna click on the same video. I'm gonna go back to the same place. All right, go back to the same place. I'm gonna click on it. Keep watching. Watch this, you'll earn points. I haven't gone to the entire video just yet, but I just wanna show you that this is possible. And just keep watching. It's gonna change right in front of your eyes. So this is a little hack that I've done, that you don't have to watch all the videos. You can keep playing it over and over again. Once you earn the points, you could do that. Some of you probably be doing your laundry, maybe you're cooking. Just let this video keep running. You can watch this on your phone. See, another 33 seconds, I've earned points. So if I head back over here, if I refresh, as you can see, 94 points. So that's one way how you can earn. That's a little hack that I figured out, because I wanted to share with you so you don't have to keep consistently, watch the videos all the way to the end. And you could turn it down. You don't have to, watch the entire thing. So you could do the surveys. As I said, you can watch the videos. And once you come over here, see approve. Let me just show you real quick. On the drop down, you can refer friends. So you can get your referral link. All right, you can get your referral link, and there's multiple different referral links. You can click this, and what if someone likes Apple gift card? What if somebody likes Skype? What if somebody likes Amazon? So the good thing about this, that is not just one link that you can use. You can use multiple links. So let's say, people who like free Bitcoin, right? Maybe you want to copy this and say, hey, earn free Bitcoin. So share your referral link with friends, and and when they reach 1,000 points, in addition, they'll earn 500 free when they sign up with your invite code. So you could just consistently share this over and over again. So let's say if somebody liked Macy's gift card, Gap, Airbnb. So there's so many. What if you have a group of people who like PlayStation, Xbox, Teams, Pokemon? You can consistently use this over. So you can never run out of ideas when you do this. So I don't want people to be complaining, well, I don't know what to do. I don't have any ideas. Everything is right here. Copy the link and start sharing it. There's multiple links that you can share. What if it's a Google Play? You change, you copy it, you share it. What if it's PlayStation? Copy it, you share it. What if it's Microsoft store code? Copy and you share it, right? So you can share it on Facebook, share it all over the place, share it on multiple different platforms, and that's how you're going to be earning. So consistently earn over and over again, and you're going to make more money. So I hope you enjoy this video. I just wanted to create this for you. That way there's just some free PayPal money and how to make money online in 2020. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on the videos, and do check out my #1 recommendation in the description so you can see exactly what I'm doing. This is my Facebook. If you haven't checked out my Facebook yet, feel free to come on over here. You can also head on over to my main page. I head on over to my business page, and you can see that I do this full time from home. And this is what I do is consistently work full time online. You can come and watch my video, not a problem. And I was stuck in a rut too. I was in a place where I didn't have any money. I was an immigrant, moved to this country, and I decided I need something to change. See, fast forward 3 years later, this is what I'm doing full time. So most of you are probably in a place right now you're very confused, but all I have to say is just take that leap of faith. Just keep pushing, keep doing your thing. Your breakthrough is coming. 2020 is going to be your year. So see you on the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.